Phil calls in the Adduce Lab mobile team from the University of Kentucky. Their tools will give him a look below the surface of the mound in the middle of the Simpsonville field.
So the first thing we're going to do is take out the drones. They can cover a much larger area. It's slightly lower precision. And then based on those results, we're hoping that there'll be some areas that we can then target with the terrestrial GPR.
Well, it's good that you were here now, because in 2 months, that ryegrass is going to be 5 feet high. I can't wait to see what it shows us. I'm all smiles. I'm ready to see some action now.
This orange box contains a ground-penetrating radar transmitter. Skimming the search area from less than a meter above, it can read the ground up to 2 meters below its surface.
It's heading out, and it's now programmed, and it's beginning to collect that data. It'll go much quicker, much faster than when we're hand pushing it.
Now, this is a great perspective on that site, because from the road, and I've been on that road thousands of times, you can't see that hump.
But you can here. You can slightly see that hump there. And so, yeah, no, that's great.
After the GPR covers roughly 2,000 square meters, the team turns to a magnetometer capable of sensing objects like bullets, belt buckles, and bayonets buried in the ground. With the wide-scale data gathering complete, Phil now brings out his high-resolution terrestrial GPR. He'll examine the mound in 50-centimeter increments. He and his team will need days to analyze the data collected from the cemetery and the field. But if there are any anomalies to be found at either site, these tools will have picked them up. It's the best chance yet at finally finding this lost burial site. Now, the wait begins.
Well, I think everything is riding on, in terms of where do we go from here if this technology doesn't show promise, if it doesn't show that, yes, there's a mass grave here. I don't know what my next step would be.
While 22 murdered soldiers remain buried somewhere near Simpsonville, the details surrounding the events of January 25, 1865 are slowly being unearthed.